Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Right now I am beside a tent, and this tent I am going to talk about and etc things, where is it located and where it was established and something like more I will try to say in this video. But for that time you have to wait for watching till the end of this video. So I am just go into it. So I'm looking for a safe place also. Okay, I have just seated here. This is my first time I have seated this tent. And okay, uh, give me some time. I'm just keep my mobile phone for better way. That's why you can see me. Okay, just a moment. Okay, just a moment and you will see a lot of things. Okay, this way. Okay, so by the way, I hope you can see me properly, or I am giving it more. Okay, so right now is better. Okay, I'm not it. Just a moment, just a wait. Okay, it's a very good. Okay, it's a very good. So this is a tent, and this tent was made like a few years ago, and this tent's owner, one person who is a fisherman, and his works is to catch fish different kind of. And beside this tent there is a pond around this. I'm just show it more. This is a pond here, and you also see that. Okay, this is a pond here, you see that. And I have made a lot of video about this pond also, you know that, and something more like that. Okay, let's to the pond. Oh, this is a very large pond and very large area. If you have no idea about this pond, of course you scroll my last 3-4 months ago's video, then get this pond's video, very large video I have made, maybe 10 minutes, over 10 minutes video there was that. And the person who controls or manages this pond, and for taking a rest for a while, the purpose of this, they made these tents. And especially the noon time when the weather is very hot, they comes to the tents and they try to take a rest for a while. I talked to her like 2 months ago. I told you, do you stay or do you sleep here at the night? They expressed this, no, usually they're not. They goes to his house for sleeping, that's it. But you also see there's something like one kind of resting place and resting something that. And there is a curtain also here, and also some blanket for wear when they feel cold. And this is a something like, it's a temporary tent, or one kind of house also you can express this, but it's a tent. I means it's tents because tents means when you do not have, or one kind of house that is not established or you are not using for a long time, you just use this that type of house for temporarily, for that is called tent. Okay, so you have got this one kind of tent. Okay, if I say more about this tent is constructed or made with bamboo and also wood. Where I'm sitting, this place, the floor is bamboo, and the the sling style is one kind of like that, is a narrow, and this sling was made with bamboo and over to cover to protect, not to come the rain or water, or to not to come the sunlight. For this reason, polythene and bag are used for this ceiling. And this floor is not usually, this floor is not on the ground, it's above the ground, maybe 1 or 2 feet above. It's around to 1 meter, extremely sorry, it's about 1 meter above. The reason is that not the person who will or who would live here or who take a rest, as a result he never, or he will not never face any dangerous animal like a snake or something like that who comes here and just bite him. For this actually reason, and he never wants to do this. And this is the actually reason. This is the one kind of dangerous place. especially the night time. And also I'm a little bit afraid here because I'm alone, and it's very far away from my house also. So by the way, this is the things actually happened here, and all the things is happening here. I just talk a little bit about this 10. I hope this video must help you to talk about a 10. If you have any house, it can be house, it can be building room, it can be a hostel room, whatever it can be, you should try to answer, or you should try to describe in your own way. Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Practice is most important. I hope this video I have made you understand how to describe a 10, and I have given you some information about this 10 and make a sentence. Okay, and this is the location I also shared with you, the situated of this 10. Okay, I hope this video must help you. If you really got any information, if you get any advantage at least from this video, you can subscribe my channel. As a result, you can get more video like this, so to enhance your English speaking. I'm ready to develop your English. I try and I help you, and this helping hand will continue till my last day of breathe. So goodbye for now. I'll come back another video. For that time, keep watching, keep learning, and develop yourself.